Hey, it's James Potenza, that new home realtor. We're back out at Massey Oaks in Pearland, and I wanted to show you, this is going to be a quick video, but this is a Meritage home. It's one of the first ones that's being built out here besides the model. It's almost done. I think it's already sold. Nope, it's available. So yeah, if you want a quick move in Massey Oaks, make sure you give me a call and we can take a look at this home. But we'll walk through it right now, and we'll just see what we can find out. Yeah, so Meritage and Massey Oaks. That's your backyard back there with the oak trees. Look at your side yard. This is the first house, so you're not going to have side neighbors. Look at that. Who wouldn't want this house? I'm telling you, and I can get you guys a really good price on this. I've known Meritagers for a long time. Make sure you guys give me a call. My information will be in the comments. All right, so I'll take a picture of the whole house and put a link on it. But this one is it's almost done. This is a good time to walk your home. They've got the sheetrock up. They've got the sheetrock painted and textured. So they got it's the first time they come through. They'll come through multiple times. This is probably number 3 or 4 of the painting and caulking. So that's your dining room. And so they do little touch-ups here. You'll see some mistakes. You'll walk through and you'll see something crooked or something that you might not like. You'll think, hey, they messed up. But they come back through and they come back and they fix them. They put everything together and they just keep coming back. The construction manager will come by and make some marks on the walls and say, hey, fix that. You know, if you get a good construction manager, and I have dealt with Meritage, I've built several of their homes, and they've got all good construction managers. So that is the key. And of course, you got a guy like me that's going to walk your home as well to make sure that everything looks good. And I can also advise you, if something ain't right that they might not notice or might not know to fix, I will certainly point that out. See little touch-ups like that, and then they'll come back and paint it. I mean, when you get a brand new home, it better be perfect. So, like I said, this is a pretty quick video. Yeah, I'll give you the floor plan model in the description, but that's your backyard. Of course, you don't have a fence right there, but you would be able to see those oak trees. I mean, how cool is this? It looks like they're going to put some sort of a concrete small fence along there. But how cool is this? Yeah, if you want to see this home in person, it's available. I'll put my information below and we can run out here before anybody else does. Okay, like I said, quick video. Let's take a quick peek upstairs just to show you a little bit more of the home. Okay, so we just walked up the stairs, and I'll get as much in here as I possibly can. So there's your stairs, and there's your front door. Huge game room. Beautiful windows. Got a bedroom and a bathroom here. That points out to the front. I wonder if we have any windows in the back. I'm sure we do. That's a dark room, so that is a media room. No windows. Yep, there's all your low voltage connections. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, if you want this house, you better get it quick. That's your view. Mature live oak trees. I don't want to get back in there. That's another front bedroom. A bathroom. So that's the main road coming in, and you would have a fence there, but you would always see those oak trees. Very rare to have a subdivision that has those mature trees already. All right. All right, this is going to be a really nice house. It already is. The lot alone with the oak trees in the back, you might be able to see them right behind me. it's amazing to be able to get that in Pearland with a house this size, built by a really good company, Meritage. And yeah, I'll put the description of the home, the square footage, the floor plan and everything in the link or in the description. And then of course in the description as well, I'll have my contact information. So if you want to come and take a look at this home, make sure you give me a call. All right, we'll see you.